Hello, welcome to this update. Let's see what's happening with those systems in Europe. So, we do have some fronts still crossing the UK with some rain today and gusty winds from Storm Bert. And we have that front in Norway, a bigger front there of rain and snow. So, let's see, we also have the front to approach Spain and Portugal and some lingering showers in other areas. So, let's see. There's here the front in Norway shows more rain, especially snow, and even some spots of ice or freezing rain. And let's see, the UK still shows that front today, more rain. London later today, into like northern France shows more rain. So be aware there. It shows that front in northern Spain later today in Portugal with some heavier rain there. So be aware there. Monday still some rain around Spain, and later Monday does show some whispers of some showers near northeastern Spain, a snow or two in the Pyrenees, and then the model has this going towards the Alps there with some more snow and rain in some areas. Then the European does have on Tuesday this other system approaching the southern UK and France and passing the Netherlands and Belgium and Germany, and yeah, and then spreading across Eastern Europe with some rain and some snow later. And still by the 30th, yes, some rain and snow lingering around Romania, Czechia and Austria and Germany in some areas. Then the Europeans another system approaching Portugal and Spain by like the December 1st, some more rain there. And around the 3rd, it's really picking up the activity near the Mediterranean, and yeah, but that's very far out. There's like the GFS shows that front now in the UK, in Norway, the snow in Norway, some islands there, and in Iceland shows this, the front in Portugal and Spain later today with the heavy rain, the snow in Turkey, and then this goes crosses through France, mainly rain there, but later as it gets closer to the Alps where it shows some snow, later Monday there, and some rain that this goes, the front goes all the way to like Austria, Slovenia with some rain and snow. Croatia still shows by the 27th some rain and lingering snow in Eastern Europe, but it does have on Tuesday the system near the southern UK, a little bit of rain in Ireland, but mainly the southern UK Tuesday, Wednesday. This goes passes Denmark and the Netherlands, might be some gusty winds, still some lingering snow, Sweden and Finland, and this goes there. And then it also has, like on the 29th, the southeastern Europe and Eastern Europe, some lingering rain and snow, especially like Albania, Macedonia, parts of Serbia and Romania. This goes, and the GFS still has more rain around Greece on the 30th, Bulgaria, Romania, and some more snow and rain in those areas. And December 2nd, it has like this goes into Turkey and some areas. But unlike the European, the GFS doesn't have any rain whatsoever in the Western Mediterranean, and the European had the whole storm system, so um, the models are very different from one another. But yeah, the icon has also the front in like France and Spain there, some heavy rain. This goes shows more rain and snow for like France, especially rain France and snow in the Alps. On Tuesday, this goes there, Slovenia, Croatia, some rain on Wednesday, and then shows the season southern UK and France with some rain, Netherlands and Germany, and the icon is further south, like the other models have this passing through Denmark, the icon has through central Germany, then this goes and the icon is an outburst of rain on like on the 29th throughout Croatia, Montenegro and some areas there into like southeastern Europe later. And then yeah, by the 30th it does have some storms close to Spain and some in Italy and some snow in northern Turkey still. So yeah, we'll monitor that and be aware those areas. The wind gusts are still very strong, especially in the UK, close to like 100 km per gusts in northern Scotland, some other areas, southern UK. There's some wind warnings there. Northern France, St. Augustine, Spain is very high. This is later today, the icon is like 141 Gamir per August. Some other areas in northern Spain, so be careful. And then, let's see, let me say this in Spanish. Entonces, hay la borrasca Bert, que va a traer este viento muy fuerte hoy al norte de España, a más de 130 kilómetros por hora. Las ráfagas de viento, unos 132, otras zonas 83. Entonces, precauciones. En los Pirineos, muy alto, también unos 88, 89 kilómetros por hora, pero estas zonas del norte de España, así Posada de Valdelón, otras zonas así, más de 130 kilómetros por hora, las ráfagas de viento. Muchísimas precauciones y la lluvia más fuerte con este frente, precauciones con este frente en Galicia hoy y otras zonas del norte. Muestra algunas tormentas así al oeste mañana, se va esto, y quizás alguna nieve o lluvia en los Pirineos lunes mañana, y alguna cosita así en el este. Y hoy también hay estas tormentas en las Canarias, muestran las lluvias ya ahí, y algunas tormentas, y se va esto. Entonces, precauciones aí também. E a ver em Portugal. Então, tem essa frente fria que vai deixar essas chuvas mais fortes no norte de Portugal e algumas tempestades até centro de Portugal. Esse modelo mostra hoje, mas cuidado lá no norte com as chuvas mais fortes e já vai embora isso. Mas depois, nas Ilhas Azores, mostra mais tarde, segunda-feira, amanhã, uma frente com algumas chuvas, tempestades assim. E até de dia 27 mostra uma outra frente nas Azores com mais chuvas. Então de olho lá. E até dia 30 mostra um outro frente lá. E até depois de 3 de dezembro mostra um outro frente. Então tá cheio dessas frentes frias nas Azores. E segunda mostra uns ventos mais fortes em Lagens, umas outras zonas, por causa desse frente frio. E depois até mais fortes, 89 km por hora, quarta-feira. E continua até dia 28, uns ventos mais fortes. E dia 29 mostra outra vez uns ventos mais fortes. Então, cuidado ali. E com esse frente aqui em Portugal e na Espanha, mais de 90 km por hora, as taxas de vento hoje, domingo e até hoje à noite, continua mostrando os ventos bem fortes no norte, assim. Então, cuidado, as temperaturas um pouco mais frias à noite, assim, algumas zonas, principalmente no norte. Mas durante o dia, assim, no sul chega até uns 20 graus, 19, 17, e depende do dia. Por exemplo, na quarta-feira de manhã mostra uns 3 graus só, uma zona 6, 10 graus, e à tarde já mostra uns 17, assim, de novo. Então, cuidado com essa frente. Mostra a acumulação até dia 28, mais de 50 milímetros, umas zonas do norte de Portugal, uns 54, a Espanha uns 60, uns 56, assim. Então, cuidado. Good. So, be aware there. And the rest of Europe, the rain accumulation does show that rain for France, 34 millimeters, 35, shows more for like 100 millimeters in some specific areas of southern France. So be aware, but that's just the European. The icon is like 78 there, and the GFS is 35 millimeters there. So it depends on the model. Next 5 days, the European has like 55 millimeters in Croatia, some more in Slovenia, more rain like until central Albania. Doesn't have anything yet in Greece, but might have later. It has some lighter showers for Poland, Slovakia, the Netherlands, and southern UK. And the icon is an interesting scenario. It does have like until Monday, still nothing crazy. But if I put this until next Friday, it does have that crazy rain in Croatia, like 146 millimeters, and throughout Italy a little bit more, France, and has a little bit less than the European, the southern UK. The GFS is somewhere in the southern UK, in the north, and more rain throughout those areas there. So be aware, especially like in Turkey and Georgia there, showing a lot, and throughout Norway, does show the coast of Norway close to 100 millimeters in other areas there. So be careful, the European does have their Norway, but not as much as the GFS. So be aware. Sweden shows some areas coastal Norway, so be careful. The snow does show like next 5 days more snow in northern UK, some areas of northern Western Ireland, and let's see. So close to like some 12 centimeters, some more in Norway. We are like southwestern Norway, not in the ocean, but like inland in those mountains. Most of central northern Sweden, like most of Sweden, shows more snow for like northern Norway, central Norway, those areas. So be aware there. More snow for like Finland and Russia, and it does show that snow like in Slovakia, some in the Alps, especially in the Alps there. So like 12, 17 centimeters. Shows some spots of 25 centimeters in Austria, and some spots of Czechia, northern Czechia, southern Germany, and central Germany, a finger or two. It shows more in Bosnia, Montenegro, central Croatia. There's some snow in Romania, even a finger or two near Macedonia. Some slight spots in those central mountains of Italy. And be aware, in Turkey and Georgia still shows those crazy amounts there. I talked about yesterday. Syria, more spots in northern Iran. So be aware, Russia. And yeah, so the GFS also has snow. It has a tiny bit more in Ukraine, Belarus, Latvia, some, and the southeastern Europe. It does have some in the Pyrenees and northern Spain there, and it has like some in the northern UK too. The icon has similar thing. It doesn't have anything in Spain, but does have in Croatia and Bosnia, and more snow in the Alps. So be aware, those areas, especially like Norway and Sweden, with more snow, and the temperatures are still very cold there, so like -8, -5, -3. But other parts of Europe, like France, are like a little above average, almost like 19, 20 degrees, but in the Alps still cold. And then this goes during the night, it gets colder. Some parts of Eastern Europe, like very cold across Russia, Ukraine, Moldova, shows cold in Romania too. Greece and parts of Serbia and now still there, so be aware. Especially northern Italy in the Alps. Tuesday shows a little bit colder in Spain, so like 2 degrees, 0 in the Pyrenees, Southern Islands, so like 1 to 0 degrees. And yeah, Norway there shows some spots like southern Sweden a little bit more, but a little bit less temperatures, like colder, I mean, northern Sweden, Norway, and those areas. So be aware. And very cold like Bulgaria, Romania, those areas on like Tuesday morning. This goes shows again like Wednesday, central Spain, some areas cold again like 2 degrees, 3 degrees, especially like later in the morning. Show like some areas of 0 degrees, 1 degree, and northern Spain, some parts of southern France as well, and like most of Ireland and the UK. There's some colder temperatures, so be aware in those areas. And yeah, and an interesting thing here, let's see, like from the European or the GFS, shows those above average temperatures in some areas there now, especially France, Spain, and some areas. But this goes still shows some above average later. It might be more below average again, like December 4th or something. So be aware. And now, like parts of Norway in those areas, the GFS does have some freezing rain in the mix, that snow. Even to Russia, there later some snow and freezing rain. And like there's the Canadian model too, shows the front today in Spain and Portugal. France shows that snow and some spots of freezing rain in Norway and Sweden, so be aware there. And to Russia, on like Tuesday, some freezing rain and snow there. This goes shows more snow in the Alps Tuesday, shows the system the southern UK and northern France and Belgium and the Netherlands with more rain on Tuesday and Wednesday. This goes into Germany with some more rain in Denmark. Thus we're going to Eastern Europe, some snow in Belarus and northern Ukraine on the 29th. And then shows southeastern Europe on the 30th, some rain and snow there. And this goes there. It shows maybe on like December 4th, still some systems near Western Europe and some snow in Southeastern Europe still. So be aware those areas. And let's see. There's like the GFS for the snowfall probabilities does show some more probabilities near like today in Norway, Sweden, those areas, those high probabilities in Turkey, even some in Poland today in some areas there. Monday, right in the Alps in northern Spain shows some slight probabilities, and Tuesday, Monday night to Tuesday in the Alps shows more, northern UK shows more snowfall probabilities, later into Eastern Europe by the last days of this month. And even showing some more probability like December 3rd across like Eastern, Northwestern Europe and some parts of Eastern Europe too. So be aware in those areas, and that front with the rain and the wind and everything, especially the wind in those areas, be careful. In some parts of Turkey and southeastern Europe, some higher gusts too. So be careful there, and yeah.